best thing about adventuring in your truck is spending time with people you love, especially when you don't get to see them that often. Today, I had that special someone accompanying me on my trail run. Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going off-roading and I have a very special guest with me. Hi! This is my sister Alex, my twin. Actually, just kidding. We're 2 years apart, but we're still really close, and we're basically twins. We're basically the same person, and we love adventuring, and I go off-roading a lot, but Alex doesn't really do that much off-roading.
Yeah, no, I mean, I know Chloe growing up was always like the motorsport kind of girl, but I'm glad I get to do it. She's gonna show me the ways of off-roading, so let's go.
Yeah, so this is basically like Alex's first time off-roading, so it should be really fun. We're in the Tacoma today. We're in Otay, San Diego. We're in Otay Mountain. And yeah, so even though I've had my YouTube channel for about 2 years now, maybe 1.5 years, you guys have never really seen, I don't think you've ever been on the channel, right?
No.
Yeah, because basically Alex kind of lives far away from me, sadly. Alex is in the Air Force, so she lives in Colorado, but she's here for winter break this year, so I'm really excited to go on more adventures. And yeah, so it'll just be a really fun day out here. The first thing we did was air down our tires to just 20 psi, and while we don't need to really do this, Alex again has never gone on the trails before, so I thought it was good practice, and I'm not gonna lie, any excuse I get to show people how to use my ARB deflator, I do. When we were done airing down, I had no idea how Alex would react her first time driving on the dirt, so I picked an offshoot that was really easy for her to start out on. Okay, so you're gonna do this like first little section over here. It's not that difficult, but it rained a couple days ago, so it's a little bit more rutted out than usual, but I think it's like a good one to start at, but I'll guide you as we're going. We'll be good. Just go slow, don't go fast. It's not a race. Also, try not to scrape my truck on the bushes, because you're totally fine. You're totally fine. But even if you fall into the rut, you're not gonna hurt anything, because this is like pretty easy. Nice. That was really good. Not too bad, right?
Yeah, no.
Alex thought that last section was boring, so I took her to something a little more fun. Nothing that the Tacoma couldn't handle, of course, but still fun for a beginner. Put it in neutral first, and then we can switch to 4 low, push it down.
So what does the 4 low mean?
Basically, so that we're just staying in low range in 4-wheel drive. So basically, like when we're going up this thing, you'll feel that even when you're not touching the brake, you won't fall back. And actually, like specifically with Toyota's 4 low, I think you can also do left foot braking, which is really cool, but it'll just feel a lot easier when you're crawling up. And yeah, so let's go up.
Let's do it.
Got this. Nice. So was it scary jumping out of a plane for the first time, or like doing that little offshoot?
Oh, jumping out of the plane. That was,
yeah.
That's scary. This wasn't that bad. This was fun.
Yeah. Our next stop was one of the higher points on the mountain to catch some nice views. Guys, we're listening to Green Day. We're both huge Green Day fans, except we can't play it out loud for you because we don't want to get copyrighted. So this is our air hose. Okay, so Alex, this is my air up system. I basically have an ARB air compressor under the seat. It's mounted with a mount from Desert Does It, so it's really cool. So basically what we do is we take our air hose, connect it, then we actually have to start the ignition so that this thing gets power. We flip this switch right here. And we got air. Do you mind holding this like this? You have to push it in. Okay, so Alex, first day of off-roading, what'd you think?
I thought it was pretty fun. I don't know, I think I'll have to do it again.
Yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more of Alex on the channel. She'll be here in San Diego for the next couple weeks, so maybe you can be in one of my next videos. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. We definitely had a fun time out here in Otay Mountain. If you want more content from me, you can follow me on my Instagram. It is at ChloeKuoTaco. But other than that, I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.